Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today for my oil painting time lapse. I am currently painting the second piece in my collection called Pink Matter. I started out with painting the headscarf on the figure. I wanted to initially paint the headscarf white, but once I got on the canvas I realized that I wanted to create a lot more contrast between the white background and the headscarf, so I painted it with darker colors to make it stand on top of the canvas a little bit more. So the collection Pink Matter was inspired by my itch to create black art and mix it with graphical elements. I am very much a realistic painter, but I also have a graphic design background, and mixing the two was almost the best of both worlds for me. So for this painting, I started out a bit different than I normally do. Normally I would block in large blocks of color and then I would paint over the top of those, but for this painting I went with my detail work first by starting with my darkest colors and then blending them to my lightest colors. Because folds have such wide variations in shade, painting the headscarf was my favorite portion of the painting. So for this portion of the painting, I started by blocking in color first. I really needed to establish the structure of the face, and I didn't know exactly just how much I wanted to blend the flesh yet. So I kind of started to layer on color and figure it out as I went. It is also good to note that when using oils, you should be using the thick over lean method, which is using thinner layers of paint and then layering them with thicker layers of paint as you progress in your painting. This will help preserve the painting over time and keep it from cracking. So for this portion of the painting, I didn't have the best lighting here, but basically what I did was I took the darkest brown color that I was using and I blended it into a medium dark brown color. I hope you enjoyed this time lapse. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to see what happens with the collection Pink Matter, then stay tuned for more.